Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Raz, and in this video, we will talk about how I discover how to find out the exact number of likes in a comment in a YouTube channel. So in October, I have posted a game, and that was to let my commenters comment their names, their addresses, and then ask their friends to like their comment. So the first two people who gets the highest number of votes will win a cash prize, and that is 2,500. So never did I imagine that time that the number of likes, the count of the likes will actually reach 1,000. So yesterday when I checked out my post and looked on their comments, some got already 1.2k likes in their comment, some got 1,000 plus. It was difficult for me to identify, to know what is exactly the number of likes or count on their comment. So because that was essentially my basis on who would win. And then there are four people who actually get 1,000 plus likes, and then the counting of YouTube would just round off. Like for example, if a person's comment has 1,265 likes, it would just say 1.3k. So I tried researching over the net and used Google and YouTube, but I found nothing. There were tutorials on how to know the exact number of likes or count, but it is for YouTube videos. And that is not what I'm actually looking for, because what I'm trying to look for is how to know the exact number of likes of a comment in a YouTube post. And because that's the number of likes is my basis on knowing and determining who will win the game, my game. So I tried to dig up further, and I discovered that we can actually inspect the element of any website. So I tried that, inspecting the element, and then it actually worked. So today in this video, I will show you how to determine the exact number of likes, the count of a comment in a YouTube post. So I will share to you my screen. Hi guys, so this is a screen that I want to share to you because I'm trying to figure out how many likes these top commenters got. So as I have said, I'm trying to figure out to determine the exact number of likes, because here we have 1.2k and I want to know the exact count. You also have here 1.3, and also here we have 1.3 and another 1.2 here. So there are four of them who get the highest number of likes, and I'm only choosing two possible winners, and I want to have a breakdown so that it would be fair for them. This event's cutoff is November 25 at 11:59 p.m. but it is still 11:55, so I still have 4 minutes to wait. Okay, so we will just wait for another 4 minutes to cut off. So we have here Corina from 1.2k, it became 1.3k, and you also have 1.3k, and another 1.2 from Sophia, and of course from Teresa, that's 1.3. So if Sophia can't make it to 1.3, I think I should consider Corina, Zap, and Teresa to be the winners. But again, I'm choosing only two, so I have to know the exact number of likes so I can determine who will win, because I only have two slots for two winners. So it's still 11:57 and the cutoff is 11:59. So we'll just have to wait. And it's 11:59, so I need to find out who among them get the highest number of likes. So here's what you should do. First thing is that you will click this. You will have to right click. Okay, right click this one and then select inspect. Okay, and then you have to look for that highlight. Okay. Oops. And then here. So what you're going to do here is right click and then to click expand recursively. So here. And again, click that again. Right click and then expand recursively. And then we will just go down and down. Oops. And then here, you'll get to see 1.3k likes here. So you have to go down. Okay, and right click that again, expand recursively and go down again. Okay. So you will see here that said 1,303. So actually that is the exact number of likes that Karina got. Okay. So after that, so I have the count for Karina. I will then again choose for Zap. So the same process, I will inspect this. And then I'll go down. So by the way, these are the comments. So don't go down there. You just have to go up there. Okay, so this highlighted one, so that contains the number of likes. So I will just right click that and then expand recursively and again go down. So I'm seeing now the 1.3 and I'm going down to see the exact number, and that Zap gets 1,331. So wow. Okay, so that's it. That's how you basically discover or find the exact number of likes or count of the likes in a comment. So again, I'll go to another contender. So that is Teresa. Okay, so again, that's 1.3. So there are 3 of them who got 1.3. So again, I have to search for that line. Okay, not that. This, okay, I think I've, yes, that's the renderer. And then I will have to right click that one. Okay, and expand recursively. And we should see another 1.3, and we want to know the exact number, exact count, and that is 1,319. So that is for Teresa. And finally, to be fair, I would like to show also for Sophia. So Sophia got, okay, so I'll find another in there. That's not the thread. Okay, this is the one that I'm looking for. So this is a string. Okay, so this is the string. Dayan Tino mentioned. Okay, they're asking for the winners. Okay, so I'll just right click that and then expand recursively, and again I will look for that number. Okay, so it's not here, so I need to go on, right click again. So there, I am seeing 1.2 likes, but I want to know the exact number, and that is 1,249 for Sophia. So there. So we have here for Zap, he got 1,331, and Corina got 1,303, and Sophia, we have here 1,249, and for Teresa, that's 1,319. So we have now two winners. We have Zap and Teresa. Okay? And I'm so sorry for Corina, who is lost to Teresa for 16 votes. Okay, and also for Sophia. Maybe next time you would win in my event, in one of my events. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned a lot from this video on how to determine the exact number of counts of your likes in a comment in a YouTube post in the community tab. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.